Assalamu alaikum everyone, and hello, hope you guys are all well wherever you're watching me from. And if you are from the same geographical location, you would know that we still are not allowed to leave our houses and we are still in lockdown. And in this lockdown, when we are not doing anything, we can't go out, it's mean we have to cook and look after ourselves. For me, looking after myself starts with the food. Definitely I do the other things. I go for a walk, I read books, I watch Netflix, I've got the coloring book, I do all other sort of things to keep myself busy and occupied, and I'm working from home as well. So yes, other than all those things, I am actually making effort to cook and make things I like to eat or I feel like eating, even though they are lengthy and time consuming and if I need a lot of ingredients, but I make effort. So whenever I go out, I get stuff and I make them. So it's not no excuse when you are indoors and you've got ample of time in your hands to do. So that's what I do. So these are the ingredients I'll be needing it. I'll just show you. I've got fine chopped onion. I've chopped some green chilies, boiled and shredded chicken, freshly grounded pepper. I'll be needing some milk, salt, white pepper, plain flour, oil, puff pastry, and 1 egg. And we'll need some utensils. So spatula, fry pan. I've got this baking tray and this brush. So I know that I haven't told you the name of the thing I'm making. You can guess and mention it in the comments. But anyways, you would know when you will see the ready product. I won't keep the suspense for long. So let me start the recipe. And by that time, just don't forget to write your answers. Yes, first thing first, turning on the flame. Sorry. First thing, I'll add a little oil. Don't need too much of oil. Like this is like a half a fillet, so just add like 1 tablespoon of the oil. The first thing is I'll need to put this onion, fine chopped onion, which is like 1/4 of onion. I'll lightly saute. Just saute it until it's translucent, and then I will be adding this fine chopped green chilies. Just stir it for a minute because you're not overcooking anything. This is not a long dish where you are just cooking. This is just mixing procedure. Now this boiled shredded chicken. Now I'm adding white pepper powder and salt as per taste. And my favorite, freshly ground black pepper. I love black pepper. So just mix it for 1 or 2 minutes. Until everything is mixed properly. So just mix it for like 3-4 minutes, and here you can taste the salt. Perfect. It's fine. Now make sure your flame is really low. What I'll do is I'll turn it off. I'll need like around 1/2 tablespoon of plain flour. Yes, I turned it off. And adding little milk. So milk and this flour is only just to thicken it, to make in a pasty form. very careful when putting milk because we don't want this very runny. We want it in a pasty form. Okay, turn off the flame, and that's all we need. This is sort of just like a pasty thing, so no liquid dripping, just like a lump. This should be the form we need. Okay, and I'll let it cool. This patty stuffing is now cooled. It's on the room temperature, easily touchable. So we have to start filling in these puff pastries. These puff pastries are the cut ones which I've got them. These are the frozen ones. But if you're trying this recipe and you can't get these cut ones, you can still get the sheets which you can easily get from the supermarkets. So I'll show you a few ways of doing it. So I'm going to make the typical ones which we get. They are in the round shape. So I'm going to show you. I've used this glass, but now because it's a square, so I'm going to have one big one and I'm making one small one. Okay, but don't worry, nothing is going to get waste. These ones I've done to show you like a typical round forms, but the other ones I'm not going to do the circles. I'll use the whole sheet and I'll make them a triangular. So let's start filling them in this puff pastries. And I'll fold it just to make sure your sides are properly sealed. Putting on this tray, let me show you these ones. This is like a typical size. That's how we get just in the circle ones, and that's the right size actually. Making these small ones as well. Yeah, that's the reason I'm not wasting them, because I don't want to have these cut edges, so I'm not going to make the round ones. The most important thing in this, that you have to have a good quality of puff pastry. I think by now you guys must have guessed the name. Make one more. Just press them lightly so they are sealed. I put them on this tray, the baking tray. I'm just checking that they're all properly sealed. Just pressing them. Don't press the stuffed bit. Just you can make the designs with fork or fingers. I'm using fingers. I told you earlier, I will not waste anything. I'm not going to waste anything. This egg is for egg wash. So I put the egg and then I'm going to just put this as well on the top. It will give the design as well. It will make the pasty very crunchy. Brushing again. Egg wash. My oven has been preheating and it's ready for this to go in. I've just taken them out of the oven and they are cooked, so you can see this is what I was talking about, and they are so crunchy. So happy days! My chicken patty and my tea are ready. Yes, I was talking about chicken patties. So this is chicken patty. I'll try the small one. Very nice. Thanks again for watching my channel. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.